Hi there, students. A big ask. A big ask with a K. Okay, a big ask is something that you ask someone to do, but it's going to be really difficult for them to do it. So I know you need this project finished by the end of the week. I'll do what I can, but it's a really big ask. I know it's a big ask, but do you think I could borrow your car for 3 weeks? I know it's a really big ask, but you really are my best friend. Okay, so a big ask, it's a request that's inconvenient, that's hard for somebody to do, or maybe it's excessive. Yeah, you want me to take you to the airport at 3 a.m. That's a big ask, but I will do it. So let's see. It's not a big ask for to pay £5 for a good meal. It's not really a big ask. Okay, yeah. A 5-minute break in an 8-hour day of work is not a big ask. Yeah, the boss always makes it look like it's a really big ask, but not really, or not at all. Yeah, a demand or a situation that requires a lot of effort or a lot of commitment. Yeah, let's see, I know you've only just got home from work, but do you think you could come and help me move these things into my house? I know it's a big ask. Yeah, I'm asking more than is reasonable. I'm asking more than I can expect. So if you say no, I will understand it. Yeah, asking me to run 20 kilometers would be a big ask. Yeah, it would be something difficult for me to do. Okay, so a big ask, a favor which is a lot to ask of someone. Yeah. Yes, he arrived home from a business flight, and they called him in directly into the office. That was a big ask. It wasn't very very kind of them. Okay, so formality. This is informal. I think I'd give this a 3.5 in formality. Definitely in an informal conversation. Maybe just in a semi-formal conversation, but no more. More formally, I know it's asking a lot of you. I know it's not reasonable for me to ask you this, but a big ask. Well, friends say yes to big asks, and that's what friends are for, and that's why you call them friends. And I think originally this originated in Australia. Oh yes, by the way, I'm not sure that the Americans use this. I'd be happy to know. The only thing I saw, a request, but particularly for a donation. Yeah, but well, I will see what you think. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A big ask.